Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. So hope you liked our last video on how to grow on a YouTube fast in 2022. So today our topic is how to make money selling on Amazon. 5 tips for a new sellers on Amazon. So before we started our video, make sure that you subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. So let's get started. How to make money selling how to make money by selling on Amazon. It is the $1,000,000 question. After all, you are probably not starting to sell just for the fun for it. The best part about selling on Amazon is that virtually anyone can do it. Expert in business or branding to get started. By now you have heard countless Amazon sellers success stories. I am making up words of $50,000 a month, or I turned a $600 invest into $60,000. Many of these successful accounts are coming from people with no previous selling experience. You are trying to turn your side hustle into a full-time business or just looking to supplement your income. Deposit the growth competitions. It is not too late to start selling. That you will make a killing, so what there a great opportunity. It's one you should not pass up if you are prepared to put in the work. But the reward can be huge, even life-changing. After working with over 8,000 brands to run more than 3,500 launches. Based on our data and experience, we have put together 5 tips every new seller needs to know that understand in order to cash in on the opportunity at hand. For even more tips to take to a look at our video series on how to sell on Amazon, get started with the free video below and follow these 5 tips to get going with your Amazon journey. Number 1 is understand how Amazon works. We now joining the world's largest e-commerce storefront can be intimidating, especially for beginners. But if you want to know how to make money selling on Amazon, many third-party sellers list products on the platform and sell them for a profitable. Some buy these products directly from a manufacturer, while others buy products at retail stores for discount. In order for people to find the products that they list on the platform, sellers use SEO tactics to improve their products. Search ranking. Most sellers use keyword placement, sponsor ads, and targeted sales to boost their search ranking on the site. Familiarize yourself with one policies and learn the steps to get started and all associated with selling. Learn an ins and out of the Amazon platform. You are going to be operating at a disadvantage right from the right. Understand how the process works and different types of selling and fulfillment options available to you. Find the right product. There may be hundreds of billions of products sold on Amazon. Choose products that will move, not just sit, stand, and end up costing you money. Amazon Product Finder. Automated product finder is beneficial to use because not only do these streamline the process, they also give you great product insights. Get everything you need to make informed selling, delicious and find profitable products much faster. Have a solid business plan. As you continue to discover how to make money selling on Amazon, it's beneficial to establish your own business goal right from the start. Similarly, are you going to be one of hit wonder, or you are in this for this long haul? Sell multiple items once you get this selling bug. Be sure your business is scalable so you can grow with the market and not be left behind. Popular Amazon selling method. You will also want to dig deeper into the pros and cons of FBA versus FBM. With FBA, you will qualify for Amazon Prime shipping, be able to win the buy box more often. When new sellers are figuring out how to make selling on Amazon, many often believes it's the products that matters, but in fact there are so much more in play here. Professional listing optimization, copywriting, and photography service help new and experienced seller alike. Putting your listing, copy, and photos in the hands of experts. Increase your product's ranking. Even if you find a great product and optimize your listing, you still are not going to get sales unless you can rank. High ranking products are the ones appearing on page 1, and that's what Amazon shoppers are looking at. We covered how crucial using relevant high volume keyword is for your ranking ability, but reviews also matter. Although their future is a bit murky at the moment, positive review make it more likely people to purchase. Giveaway. Targeted giveaway called launch. Here a viral launch are done to project your listing to page 1 for a major keyword. We usually recommend running a giveaway for 7 to 10 days. This allows Amazon to recognize the sales but still limits the number of items being given away. Perhaps the main lesson in learning how to make money selling on Amazon is you have to do research and give the venture your full attention. New Amazon sellers have a lot of decisions to make and what to do. Take the time to consider the following and make the best choice of your business. Don't expect to be an expert right away. Use many resources and software available to you. Decide before you first launch if selling it will be a side hobby or the primary source of your income. There are no guarantee it will stay that way. Continually once you're going, even your listing the rank well, so there is no guarantee it will stay that way. Continually check up on the competition and research and market to determine what buyer wants. Staying profitable may include adjusting your price point or even making changes to your physical product. This can be in your everyday life of your entrepreneurial pursuits. For more on how to sell and make money on Amazon, subscribe to your blog. So guys, this is 5 simple steps to make money on selling on Amazon. Hope you will like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more interesting videos. So stay blessed. Goodbye.